Alright, now we got some 2020 Topps Baseball Update Series. Hold on a sec, guys.
True.
Cards fell.
Oh. Careful. Gotta get some stuff put away here, don't we?
We do. Alright, so last time we hit... Hey, did you look at that Aaron Judge up yet?
Yeah, that claw? Yeah. Pretty sweet.
How much?
I don't know yet. Let's try and just break these and we'll look at stuff after, okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's do these first.
Silver packs?
I think it's supposed to be a cloth.
Every pack?
No, just that one.
Oh.
Blue in there.
Blue guy. Go ahead and just go through them, okay?
Alright. We got Christian Yelich, Shane Bieber, Anthony Rendon, it looks like. Giants, Mike Yarinsky. Blue, what's it out of? 6 out of 150. Wasn't too bad. What's in there? All base. Okay. Yoshi Tashigo. Garrett Cole, Walker Buehler, Willie Castro.
Walker Buehler.
Alright, let's see what the cloth is. Chris Bryant.
Nice.
Sweet. I love these cloths.
Those are pretty
And
cool.
look on the back.
Nice.
Take out one.
So you got Aaron Judge and Chris Bryant. Right?
Yeah. You seriously want to keep those? Alright. We got a golden foil. Sam Travis. Juan Soto, 85, 1985. Another 20 years of the captain, Derek Jeter. And Dylan Carlson. Watch out. Oh.
Tell them what you're doing while you're doing that.
Alright. We're just skipping those because there's at least 20, around 40 cards of those.
What are they, though? Why are you skipping them?
Base. Why am I skipping? Are you seriously asking?
People might not know that are watching the video, so yeah. So what are they?
Jose Suarez. These are Topps 2020 Baseball Update Series. Foil. Aaron Judge, 1985. Feel free to say hello in the chat. Oakland A's. What's their real team name?
Athletics.
Decade's Best 2000s. and Nolan Jones. All right, we got some. What? Alright. Ooh. Mitch Keller, 1985. Well. Trace Thompson.
Do you know who he's?
Foil.
Do you know his brother is?
Who? Tristan?
No, no. Much better basketball player though. Played for the Warriors.
Clay.
Yep, they're brothers.
Fernando Tatis Jr. You know, I have an update rookie of him.
Yep.
Jeter. Derek Jeter. Brady Singer. Alex Blandino. Foil. Yoshi Tatsuko. 85. Kansas City Royals, decade's best 1970s. Way back there, 50 years ago. Keibert Ruiz. Alright, we got another one. Derek Jeter, 20 years of the captain patch.
Nice. I like those.
Me too. That's the second one, so.
Yep.
Golden foil, Domingo Santana. Reminds me of the name Jason Dominguez.
He'll be in this in a couple years.
Austin Meadows, 85. 20 years of the captain, Derek Jeter. Madrigal.
Doing a good job, buddy. Oh. Backwards ones are always good.
That's a golden. Kevin Pillar. 1,921 out of 2,000.
Okay.
And 20. No. I like when it's a variation behind it, but it wasn't. A gold foil. Nick Turley. Christian Yelich. Alex Rodriguez.
A-Rod.
Decade's best 2000s. Joe Adele.
Joe Adele. That's a big one. He's a big Angels prospect.
Right there it says Bees.
I think that's his minor league team.
Ooh. What's this? Miles Straw. Sky blue.
Ooh,
I'd
nice.
say.
I'd say
That's numbered.
Father's Day.
9 out of 50.
50. Yep. Nice. Good hit. Oh, bless you.
Thank you. We got Lane Thomas. Foil. Fred McGriff. Fred McGriff.
Crime Dog.
1998. 85. Los Angeles Dodgers, decade's best, 1970s. Josh Jung. There's 36 cards per pack. Well, that's all the hits for this one. Carlos Correa, 2017 MLB All-Star.
Alright.
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
A golden foil, Cody Stazak. Bob Gibson, 85. David Ortiz, 2000s decade's best.
You know his nickname, right?
No, I don't.
Big Poppy.
I knew it was big because he is big. Ryan Mountcastle. Castle. Why is there a T in there?
I don't know.
Silent T. What in the world? Is this no idea what this is right now, guys. I didn't even turn it on its back.
Oh, it's just the blue version.
Ryan Sandberg.
It's just the blue version.
Oh yeah. Whatever it was, it must be nice because it was flipped over.
Yeah.
Mike King, foil. Roberto Clemente. Miguel Cabrera, decade's best, 2010s, and Nick Allen. All right, last pack. Sweet. Oh man. Zach Green, 836 out of 2020. Golden. Okay, my heart stopped when I saw this card.
Oh, shoot. Yep.
Chester Chubbert. Golden foil.
Cuthbert.
Oh, and this one too.
Oh,
yeah. Yoan Moncada. Not too bad. 85. Pizza?
Piazza.
Piazza. Looks like pizza. A little bit. Evan White. To me. Alright, that's it for 2020 Topps Update.